Oh, oh, cock shot.
Can we ask him to just put them all three in here, just one sitting here?
The fuck, Kev?
What?
What's that?
Espresso.
Tracer.
Espresso.
Oh.
That looks a little bit sexual in the end, to be fair. What's all the white stuff in there?
Chin him. He said shut it, chin him. Everybody point in different directions.
Just pointing that way, you're standing there.
Yeah, bush wookie. You lot pop out of fucking nowhere. What was it? Not the big bush wookie, but the bush wookie next to it. Suck it, fuck it. Right, you're one, that's two, that's three, right? Bush wookie two, he was actually standing next to me and I didn't even know fucking there. Because that Sphinx in the tree, he was there.
Oh yeah.
That could have been you. I'm not too sure.
I think it was one of them, because I saw one of them.
You know how twins can tell each other apart, like how each other apart, but we can't? Yeah. Is it like that with bush wookies?
And he's a twin.
Yeah, that's not going in the fucking video.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just up here because my leg fucking hurts. Gotcha. One on top of depot.
One going up.
Oh, cock shot. Oh, right in the fucking eye. Oh, oh, I mean, it's such a big target. Oh, oh, oh. It was, I'm taking it because that was such a trick shot. It came through the wood.
No, that's just in there.
They must be close.
Oh,
There is a guy.
he's bleeding. I love it when people say that.
Gotcha.
If I had a fucking patch, you'd have one.
I do love your videos.
You do love them?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Oh, the YouTube ones are good as well.
Oh, right. You should see my OnlyFans. What's your name, bruv?
Jimmy.
Nice to meet you, Jimmy.
Nice to meet you, man. You used to play at skirmish, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I recognise you. And you ran around with the foam hammer.
Oh, yeah.
Until skirmish went down.
I should go back there sometime.
Yeah. I have heard it's got better.
Hopefully.
I like the jail though, jail's good.
Oh, yeah. Do you take your own porcelain vase when you go there, or?
I take my own soap.
On a rope. So wise Wookie of Warzone, what is thy wisdom?
Try not to die.
That's not bad. I can get behind that one. Dying would suck.
Well, we can die now until we get our respawn taken away, and then... Oh, fuck.
Like that.
Yeah.
Stick your head up. I want to make another hole.
Cheeky shit.
Hey?
He said he put his hand up to wave goodbye, but he's still there.
Just fucking zero in on that one. Never mind. Now, if you've got that, I'm going down the side. I'm going to hobble. Hobble. In full auto hobble. Oh.
What's that right?
What, over there or over there? Hang on, which is right and which is left? That's right.
Yeah. There. Keep peeking. Or what's that left? And let's go one box.
Fuck! Shit! Oh! Hey?
We need to get a bed in there. Watch it. Hold on. Whoa. Thank you.
Shut up, of course it was.
Building. Dropped another one, have you?
No. Shit. Yeah, that's about 15 quid on the floor. A wimble up, a wimble up, a wimble up, a wimble up. I'm in the van, come get me, fuckers. Wimble up, a 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 wimble up. I'm in the van, come fucking get me. You got me. Ah! Hey, fuck it, why not? Did you get that? Oh, on that. Why not?
He's dead.
Oh,
How's your leg?
fucked.
Still fucked.
Yeah, it's definitely hamstring.
You experienced war injury took DD.
They say pain and relocation's a good way, but I don't particularly want to get shot.
Trying to